Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke. Page 15, problem 3. We are in 6 spades, and the south and the opponent's east has bid 3 hearts. The opening lead is the 9 of hearts. You cash when we're in spades. Okay, so you take that trick, and then we cash the 2 top trump, and east shows out, meaning that west has 4 spades, or started with 4 spades. Now that he's played 2, west has 2 spades, same as we do. You cannot ruff your heart losers with the 3 of spades and the queen of spades, because ruff would then score 2 trump tricks since he's got the jack 10. So instead, you plan to ruff 1 heart loser and discard the other heart loser on the 5th round of diamonds. You'll still need to avoid a club loser, and the only realistic chance of doing this is to end play west to lead away from the king of clubs. So we draw a 3rd round of trump. Now everybody's got 1, but he's got a jack, so west has the high trump, and so he's going to take that. And now we are going to overtake the king with the ace of diamonds, and now we're going to ruff heart with dummy's last trump, and that scores a trick, and it removes west's last card in the heart suit, preparing him for the throw-in. So you continue with jack and queen of diamonds, which he doesn't trump because he wants to make better use to. If he were to trump, he'll be in play and forced to lead away from the king of clubs. So let's assume that he delays this fate by playing some clubs, as he does there. If you want, we can take a look at his hand. See, that's all he's got is the master trump and a bunch of clubs. So then we lead the diamond. He'll be, you really can't, he can't rescue himself by keep playing clubs. Eventually when he trumps in, he'll have to lead away from his king of clubs, and we'll take the 2 club tricks. Note that it is not good enough to lead the 10 of diamonds in the 5-card ending shown in the diagram. West will discard a club on both on the 10 of diamonds and the 4 of diamonds. You would have to surrender 2 of the remaining tricks. Well, let's show this, and we do get the queen, and now our ace is good, and we have winners, and we can trump that. So making 6.